Ever wondered why those quiz videos on YouTube blow up so fast? You're not alone. From logo quizzes to general knowledge tests, these videos pull in millions of views really fast. In this video, I'll show you a method to entertain your audience with quizzes and make some serious cash. Let's dive into Social Blade and check out one of these channels. Forget predicting income on Social Blade, we're all about that daily view count for now. Look at the Quiz Monster channel, for example, pulling in over 80K views daily. Social Blade estimates they're making $600 to $9K monthly, depending on how they monetize. But we're skipping the regular ads on YouTube. Considering the viewers' interest in quizzes and question answering, think sweepstakes, guessing games for monetary rewards, and surveys to turn your views to earnings. These methods are versatile enough to transition viewers from merely watching videos to actively contributing to your revenue stream. To implement this strategy, we'll head over to Offer Vault and search for SOI, which stands for Single Opt-in. It means your viewers do one thing and you get paid. We're talking $3 or more for submitting an email to win groceries or prizes like Amazon gift cards. You can also explore downloads. Get your viewers registering or downloading apps for that cash flow. Combine all these moves and you'll be seeing those earnings stack up. In addition to the SOI offers on Offer Vault, there are numerous other affiliate programs and platforms like ClickBank and Warrior Plus that offer higher commissions for promoting products related to quizzes. By signing up as an affiliate, you can earn a percentage of the sales whenever someone makes a purchase through your referral links. Stay tuned for the juicy part later in the video. But first, let's break down the whole process with a live demo. Now, let's take our quiz game up a notch. We'll use Canva to create a solid template and then switch over to ChatGPT to craft a chart with 10 quizzes for our videos. Ready? Let's dive into creating that quiz template. First off, hit up Canva and search for a blank video template. Gotta start with a clean slate, you know. Add a background video. Now, let's say we want to promote a product like the $100 KFC gift card we spotted on Offer Vault. First, you need to pick a relevant keyword for your video. It could be KFC for direct targeting or something broader like groceries and spending for a wider audience. So, in the Elements tab, type groceries and choose a suitable video. Look for a background video that isn't too distracting, as we want the viewers' focus on the questions and answers. After selecting a video, right-click on it and choose Replace Background. Now, add a new text layer to represent the question. Change the font color and text effects to ensure the question stands out. Return to the Elements tab, search for shapes, and choose the rectangular shape. This is where the 3 answer options will appear. Edit its color, duplicate it for the 3 options, and change the color of the correct answer to green. Search for frames and select one to hold your image. Finally, add a timer or loading bar graphic. Go to the Elements tab, search for Loading Bar, select a suitable graphic, and adjust it below the template. Now, let's add animations to these elements. Select each element to animate, click on Animate at the top, and choose a suitable animation. Ensure simplicity in your choices. The crucial part is setting a timer for each element. Right-click on an element, choose Show Timing, and adjust the purple color bar on the timeline. Start with the question, followed by a pause for viewers to guess the answer. Use the loading bar to indicate when the time is up, and then reveal the final answer after the set time. The template is almost ready. Now, add sound effects. Click on an element, search for a sound effect, for example, a champagne cork pop for the question element, and click on Audio at the top. Explore different sound effects, listen to them, and add them to your template. Add a whoosh sound for questions, a clock ticking for the loading bar, and a bell for the correct answer. Check how everything looks and sounds after the edits. Now, the challenge is that we need to add these sound effects to each question in our entire video one by one, which can be time-consuming. But don't worry, there's a workaround. Instead of adding the sound effects individually, you can delete all the elements on the template except the background video and sound effects. Then, download the template as it is. After the download is complete, press the Ctrl+ key on your keyboard, and then press V to undo the elements you just deleted. Now, delete only the background video. Import the downloaded template with the background video and sound effects. For YouTube Shorts, follow the same process, but adjust the design for a mobile-friendly format. Use the magic switch option in Canva to easily resize your design for YouTube Shorts. Click here and search for Shorts, select it, and click Continue. Give it a few seconds to make a copy of the template we generated, then click on Copy and Resize. Finally, click on Open Mobile Video, quickly resize the elements, and check this out. If you've made it this far, kudos! Now you can either manually create these bangers using our template or buckle up for the automation ride. I'm about to show you how to bulk create quizzes for your videos with just a few clicks. Ready? Let's get started. Now that we've got our quiz video template sorted, the only missing piece is the actual quiz content, the questions and answers. For this, we'll leverage ChatGPT to create a chart with 10 quizzes tailor-made for our videos to promote the $100 KFC gift card. So, I will go with a quiz video centered around groceries and spending. Use this specific prompt to gather all the necessary information in a table. You can easily modify the prompt to fit your video's theme. In this case, we've got 10 questions related to groceries and spending, along with their respective answers. Now, head back to Canva. Click on Apps in the side menu and look for Bulk Create. Choose Enter Data Manually, and a table will pop up. Next, go back to ChatGPT, copy the table we generated, and paste it into the pop-up table on Canva. Create an additional column named Image. Download relevant images from sources like Pixabay or Pexels, save them in a folder, and bulk upload them to Canva. Once that's done, hover over the image cells, click the plus sign, and start adding the uploaded images. The crucial part is linking each column to our template elements. Right-click on each element, select Connect Data, and choose the corresponding column from your table. Repeat this for all elements in your template. When done, hit Generate, and it will automatically create your video with all 10 questions. Check it out. Our video is now generated with all the questions. The final touch is going through each question and adding the correct answer element on top of the right option. Repeat this for all 10 questions, and then download the video. Take a look at the final output. Now that we've successfully created an engaging quiz video with 10 questions using our customized template and ChatGPT, it's time to take the next step. This method isn't just about creating content, it's about turning that content into a revenue-generating machine. As we've explored earlier, incorporating affiliate marketing, particularly with enticing products like the $100 KFC gift card from Offer Vault, adds a lucrative twist. With your video now ready, it's time to unleash it on YouTube. Optimize your video for search by using relevant keywords, tags, and a compelling title. Don't forget to insert your affiliate link strategically, maximizing your potential earnings. Share your thoughts in the comments below. How did this method work for you? Have you encountered success or faced challenges? Your feedback is valuable not just for us, but for the entire community looking to explore innovative ways to thrive on YouTube. If you found this content helpful, consider sharing it with others who might benefit. Hit the subscribe button for more insightful content and stay tuned for future updates. Remember, with dedication and smart strategies, you can turn your passion into a sustainable income stream.